So first thing we're going to do is we're going to get rid of the coolant expansion tank. Now there's a hose that actually comes up from the bottom of the tank, rubber hose, and it comes across the top of the fan assembly right here and connects into next to the radiator cap. So we're going to disconnect it here first. So this is just put on with pressure, so just give it a bit of a wobble, that'll come off. So next we've got a couple of clips on the radiator assembly, like so. We've got a third one here. Just carefully pop that out as well, do it with one hand, and then we'll feed that pipe back through that gap, and that will get us in the position that we need to get this removed. There's plastic tabs on the back, so all you need to do is lift the whole bottle up to release it from the tabs, and you see the whole thing will come away, and now we've got the job of wrestling it past the upper radiator hose. So just manipulate the hose a little bit, lift up carefully, and take your time. Just feed the rubber hose through to this side of the coolant pipe.